We're out here today because today is our Campus Beautification Day event. So we brought faculty, staff, students, everyone together for engagement to build morale around the campus and gather together to beautify the campus.
What a wonderful way for us all to come together and be able to beautify our campus and put our absolute best foot Golden Bull energy forward.
I think it's important that we keep our campus clean, our campus fresh, because we want to continue to invite students to come here, and it's just good for the soul and good for the school.
Being in a great environment, in an environment, it matters what it looks like. And what has happened is that we've all bought into a new era of excellence that our president talks about all the time.
Everyone working together, everyone coming together. It's time to turn the page. It's time to turn the page. It's time to strive for excellence. It's time to make JCSU the best that it can be and even beyond. So this fits Dr. Kenlock's vision. Dr. Kenlock is even was out here picking up trash herself. That says a lot.
And it's so important for us to not just have the good things going on the inside, but we also need to look good on the outside. So when we look good, we know we feel good, and when we feel good, we perform well.
We sit in a very prestigious and prominent space within Charlotte, right outside of Uptown. We sit on the hill. If you go on Biddle, you see the Charlotte skyline right outside of Uptown.
We're a staple. You can see Biddle Hall from anywhere in Charlotte. I see it from my office every day. I walk off of South Boulevard and I look and I was like, there goes Smith.
What a wonderful opportunity it is for us to come together for one common purpose, and that's for the good of good old JCSU.
I love seeing the students. Just remind me of my days here from '97 to 2001. The beautification of the campus is what drew me to Smith.
We are going to fellowship. We are going to gather together and break bread. We have our chief of police, Dr. Roberts, on the grill over there. So he's got some chicken wings on the grill. He has some hamburgers and hot dogs. We also have pizza. It's more than enough for everybody. I appreciate everyone's within the department's assistance and volunteering and helping. This was a success. Thank you.